Preparing a design for 3D printing typically involves multiple software tools, and this workflow disconnects the original model from the final design used in manufacturing. To address these problems, PTC Creo introduces new capabilities to support design for additive manufacturing, with a dedicated environment for preparing and checking models before sending them for 3D printing. In PTC Creo, a 3D printer can be easily defined. When working with Stratasys Connex printers, a direct connection can be established, automatically presenting the printer details. Connecting to the 3D printer, the model is displayed within the printer tray with the printing envelope clearly outlined. The user is also presented with a dedicated environment with controls to prepare and validate the 3D print, including materials. From this drop-down menu, the users can easily select and apply the appropriate material to the individual parts of the assembly. The user is also able to control the resolution of the printed model manually or using predefined settings, enabling them to control the print quality of the model. The position of the model in the printer tray can also be fully controlled within PTC Creo. And when using a Stratasys Connex printer, the model will be automatically placed in the optimal position. With these new capabilities, users can quickly visualize the support structures that the printer will create during the 3D printing process. Additionally, using the clipping function, users can easily inspect internal cross-sections. This is important for enabling users to check that models have been optimized for the additive manufacturing process. This seamless integration with the 3D printers also allows the users to validate the printability of the model directly within PTC Creo. Users can check individual parts or the entire assembly for issues such as thin walls and narrow gaps. This analysis is quick and easy and clearly indicates areas of concern, saving time and printing resources. With Stratasys Connex printers, PTC Creo can also provide a build time estimate for the user, outlining how long it will take to print the model and the amount of build and support material required. PTC's vision is to provide comprehensive design for additive manufacturing capabilities to seamlessly create, optimize, validate, and produce parts through the 3D printing process. The new capabilities in PTC Creo represent the first step in executing our vision, providing users with a streamlined design to 3D print workflow to save time, reduce waste, and increase accessibility to additive manufacturing.